now what you know about crack houses, selling dope, sniffing coke. When I was hungry, no, I hustled so I wasn't broke, never choke. I'm hitting licks up on the road, Wall Street, always cold at home. When I was locked up, nobody called my phone. In those days, I felt the most alone. Say kid with a dark soul, his heart's cold, and the only way that he could cope was to go and do some dope. Kid with some high lows, his heart's cold, and the only way that he could cope was to keep the Glock full. I said it was to keep the Glock full, yeah. Glock full, Mac tuck, got a Ruger bottle dump, Mossberg in the trunk. My AK got a snub, P9 quiet, yeah, I got suppression on the front. Yeah, don't got suppression on the front though. Said I beat that pussy up for fun, no. See you looking in my eyes, get close. Said I could take a bitch on a date for sure. Said I'd take you on a date for sure. Ride around smoking though. Know I let you hold the pole. Say but baby could you play the role? Cause you know your boy's on PO. And that's a felony, we gotta go. So I hit the gas down the road. So I hit the gas down the road. And she asked do I toast the pole. Then I said bitch hell no. I'm about to dash on 5-0. I never crashed when I did the dash, swerving fast. I'm riding past, switching lanes, can't read my dash. Switching lanes, can't read my dash. I'll be smoking blunts fast, so I need somewhere to ash. Bottles on a rock now, pinky out on a champagne glass. 5K price tag just to drink that, but I deserve that from what I used to live. Crackhead smoking dope with some fucking little kids just so they can get a fix, though. Say just so they can get a fix, whoa. Say now what you know about crack houses, selling dope, sniffing coke. When I was hungry, no, I hustled so I wasn't broke, never choke. I'm hitting licks up on the road, Wall Street, always cold at home. When I was locked up, nobody called my phone. In those days, I felt the most alone. You know about crack houses, selling dope, sniffing coke. When I was hungry, no, I hustled so I wasn't broke, never choke. I'm hitting licks up on the road, Wall Street, always cold at home. When I was locked up, nobody called my phone. In those days, I felt the most alone. Say kid with a dark soul, his heart's cold, and the only way that he could cope was to go and do some dope. Kid with some high lows, his heart's cold, and the only way that he could cope was to keep the Glock full. I said it was to keep the Glock full, yeah. I said it was to keep the Glock full.